Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm back with a Walmart haul, and a lot of the items I'm going to share with you guys in today's haul is going to be perfect for the holiday season and the current fall temperature. I have items to share with you guys from Eloquii Elements, Time and True, Sofia Vergara, and Free Assembly. I went to the Walmart Fashion Holiday Preview and I saw that Free Assembly now goes back up to a 3XL, so I had to share that with you guys because I love the quality of the Free Assembly brand. If you want to see what I got, please continue to watch, but if you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and follow me on all my social media. Starting off with one of my absolute favorite dress from this haul, it's the Time and True midi length dress. The price is $24.98 and it's available in black, but I have it here in this beautiful magenta color. I feel like anything pink has just been calling my name this fall. It features a split V neckline. It has this beautiful ruffled collar, cap sleeve which has a flutter detail going around, and I love the material on this. It's a polyester material online, but definitely not see-through, and so well made. It features a sheer double elastic waistline, so it's super stretchy, and it does have two side pockets which are seamed, so it doesn't add any bulk. Of course, it's a midi length going down, and this is just such a beautiful dress. It's gonna be perfect for any holiday party. You could wear it for Thanksgiving, you could wear it for a Christmas party. It's just such a cute dress. You could style with your favorite heels, a cute party flats, or some boots also will look cute with this dress. I absolutely love it so much. I'm gonna pick it up in black. I did go ahead and show this on my Instagram already, and it was a top seller and everybody loved it, so grab it before it's sold out. I am wearing a size 22 in this Eloquii Elements chiffon dress, and the price is $40. It's available in this beautiful red floral print, but I'm wearing it here in this black and white polka dot print. It features a V neckline which is not cut too low, long sheared sleeve which has no stretch, but it's very roomy in the sleeve area, and it does have a elasticized cuff. The bodice on this dress has this beautiful gathering going across, and it's such a nice classic detail. This dress could definitely go to a very dressy holiday party. It has a very stretchy waist, and it features a beautiful velvet belt which is removable, but I'd definitely style it with this belt because it's just so classy. It's a sheer chiffon material, but it's fully lined underneath it, which I love, and it has this beautiful ruffled detailed tiered layer going down the side of the dress, so it adds a little bit of volume on the side of the dress, which is perfect for my shape. This is a super long dress. It meets me almost at my ankle, and I did go ahead and style it with some heels, but you could wear it with flats, you could wear it with some boots. It's just such an awesome dress for the holiday season. I am wearing a size 22 in this Eloquii Elements Jacquard print dress, and the price is $40. It's available in raspberry, but I'm wearing it here in black. It features a crew neckline, oversized puff sleeve which has a elasticized cuff, and it has this beautiful flutter detail going on around the cuff. In the back of this dress you do have a keyhole detail, but it's not too much of a big cutout, and it's fully sheer in the bodice area, so your bra will be showing, but if you don't want to show your bra, you could always wear a tank top underneath it. The waistline does have a little bit of stretch, and it's also sheer in the skirt area, but it's fully lined underneath it. This is a midi length, and it has ruffles cascading around the hem of this dress. I would definitely add a belt at the waistline if I'm gonna style this dress to wear to a party, just to give my waist a little bit more definition. This is just such a cute holiday party dress. I am wearing a 2XL in this Free Assembly grandpa cardigan, and the price is $24. It's available in navy, but I'm wearing it here in this heathered gray. It features a V neckline, drop shoulder, and the sleeves on this is slightly fitted, and it does have a ribbed cuff. It has functional buttons going all the way down the front, and it has two patch pockets in the front which are functional, so you could store your snacks. It also features a ribbed hem, and this is a long cardigan. It meets me over my butt, so this will be perfect to wear with leggings. It's a mid-weight, perfect for the fall weather. You could dress it up with a skirt, you could wear it over a slip dress also. It's just so versatile. I styled that Free Assembly grandpa cardigan with this Terra and Sky high-rise bootcut jeans. I'm wearing a size 22 and the price is $22.98. It's available in a dark wash, but I'm wearing it here in the black rinse. It has a very stretchy waist, as you guys could see. I definitely could have sized down to the size 20 because as I'm wearing this jeans, I could feel it loosening it up a bit, so keep that in mind. It does feature belt loop and it has a button closure and a zip fly, and this is a 5-pocket style in denim, so there's pockets in the front and pockets in the back. I love that this denim has no wash. It's a solid color, so this is such a classic denim. And of course it is a boot cut hem, but I feel like it's more of a flare hem. This is super long. I want to say it's about a 32-inch inseam, and I have it on with heels and it's still in touching the floor, so keep that in mind. You could definitely dress this up or dress it down. I also styled that high-waisted boot cut denim from Terra and Sky with this unique bargain metallic sheer open front cardigan. The price is $17.09 and I'm wearing a 4X. I've been seeing this unique bargain brand on Walmart's website. Meanwhile, I'm browsing. They have some very cute, affordable plus size stuff, so I wanted to try them out to see the quality, and so far the 2 items that I got from them, the quality is very good. It is a open front cardigan. It has long sleeve, and of course you guys can see it is sheer, but I absolutely love the shimmer of this open front cardigan. It does have a little bit of flutter detail at the sleeve, and it's a good long length. I bought this to wear with like my denim and a tank top underneath it, and I could also wear this over a slip dress. You could also wrap it around and pin it to create such a nice shirt detail style. This is very versatile and so cute. It's perfect for the holiday season. Next up is this unique bargain metallic shirt, and I'm wearing a 3XL and the price is $21.99. It's available in pink and gold, but I have it here in silver. It has a rounded neckline, short sleeve, and it's very roomy in the midsection. It is a long t-shirt. I bought this t-shirt to style with my denim or my velvet pants during the holiday season because I know I'll be going to a lot of holiday parties. I have Friendsgiving, I have Christmas party at work, I have Christmas party with my friends, so your girl is gonna be busy this holiday season, and some of those parties just require me to look a little bit dressy, not overly dressed, so this is gonna be perfect just to add a little bit of jazz to my outfit. This is very well made, not sheer or see-through. It's a good thick material, perfect for the holiday season also. This time and true dress is another favorite of mine from this haul. I'm wearing a 3XL and the price is $19.98. It's available in 6 other colors, but I have it here in this green and black plaid print. It features a V neckline, long sleeve, and it does have a button cuff. It has functional buttons going all the way down the front, and this is a 100% cotton material, so it has no stretch, so keep that in mind. It has 2 side slit pockets so you could hold your essential, and it has tiered layering going all the way down. This is a mini length. It meets me slightly above my knee, but you could wear stockings underneath this with your boots or some flats. It's just such a cute dress and very flowy. I feel all girly when I'm wearing it, and it's going to be perfect for a casual holiday party. I recently posted on the community tab some Sofia Vergara new holiday arrival, and one of my followers said she wasn't going to purchase anything because the sizing detail for Sofia Vergara do run on the smaller side until she saw it on a plus size body. So I did go ahead and pick up this double-breasted blazer from Sofia Vergara to share with you guys. I am wearing a 3X and the price is $45, and I would say it fits true to size. It has a notch collar, long sleeve, and it's fully lined underneath it. It also has padded shoulder, but it's not too much of a padded shoulder, so it's not adding too much bulk in the shoulder area. It is a double-breasted closure, and it has 2 flap pockets in front which are not functional, and it has venting in the back. There is a slit venting in the back of this blazer. This is the blazer I wore for my birthday dinner, and I got so much compliment from it, and it's a good weight blazer, so perfect for fall and winter for the holiday parties that you guys are going to be attending. This is a 10 out of 10 the quality, and I highly recommend it. Definitely true to size. I also purchased the matching flare velour pants for that velvet with blazer. I'm wearing a 3X and the price is $26. It has a very broad, stretchy, elastic waistband which keeps my stomach in, and it has no pockets in front, but it does have pockets in the back. The material on this is a mid-weight and super soft to the touch, and it's very long. It's a 32.5-inch seam, and of course it has a very large oversized flare hem. This I styled with some heels because it's just too long. It was like dragging on the floor with no heels, so keep that in mind. If you're a little bit shorter than me, it's definitely gonna drag on the floor if you don't wear heels. It's very good quality and I love the set together, but I did style it separately also on my Instagram, so go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna have my Instagram detail link down below. I am wearing a 2XL in this scoop rosette mini velvet dress and the price is $29. It's available in red, but I'm wearing it here in the black. It has a V neckline, long sleeve, and it does have padded shoulder, but it's not too padded. And I love the wrap front detail in the bust of this dress. It also comes with this beautiful black velvet rose in front, but it is a pin, so you can remove it if you don't want to wear it with the rose. I've seen people style it with a belt around the waist instead. It's a mini length. It meets me above my knee, and it does have a faux wrap detail in the skirt also. You could wear this with a stockings underneath it since it is a mini length. You could wear it with some boots, you could wear it with flats, you could dress it up or dress it down for the holiday season. Next up is this scoop A-line mini dress. I'm wearing a 2XL and the price is $29. It's available in blue and tan, but I'm wearing it here in black. It has a mock neckline which is not cut too high, and it does have short cap sleeve, and it has a seamed waist. The material on this is a ribbed material, and it does have a skater skirt. It is a mini length. It meets me above my knee, and I did go ahead and style it with a blazer over this dress because I feel like because of the fabric, it's more of a mid-weight fabric, knit fabric, but it was showing my stomach a lot. It was showing every bump, so I threw a blazer over it just because I wanted to share it with you guys, but I think I'm gonna return this dress. Next is this sweater from Beach Lunch Lounge. I've been seeing this brand a lot at my local Walmart, so I wanted to give them a try to see the fit for you guys so I could share it with you guys. I'm wearing a 2XL and the price is $26. It's available in red, but I'm wearing it here in black. It has a folded over cowl neckline, and it has long sleeve and a ribbed cuff. It's very roomy in the midsection, and it's a good long length, and it has a ribbed hem also. It's very good quality. It's super soft to the touch, and it is a mid-weight sweater. I did go ahead and style it with some cargo joggers, but you could definitely style this over a skirt. It's very cute and very dressy. You could dress it up for sure or dress it down. I styled that sweater with this time and true mid-rise satin cargo joggers. I'm wearing a 3XL and the price is $19.98. It's also available in black, but I'm wearing it here in this beautiful green color. It has a very stretchy waist, 2 pockets, and it also features the cargo pockets to the side, of course. This is a ankle length, and at the ankle it does have this cute zipper detail, and of course it has the stretchy jogger cuffs at the ankle. You could definitely dress this up or dress it down. I did go ahead and dress it up with some heels, but this will look cute with some ankle boots also or flats for the holiday season. I am wearing a 3XL in this free assembly shirt dress, and the price is $32. It's available in one other color, but I'm wearing it here in black. It features a spread collar, functional buttons going down the bust area, and guys, my bust was busting out of this dress because it's just too tight. It doesn't have a lot of stretch. The sleeve also are long, and it has a button cuff, and it was so tight on my arm I felt like it was cutting off my circulation. Guys, you should have seen my mom helping me get out of this dress. It was a hot mess. It does have a smocked waist which is super stretchy, and that's as stretchy as this dress gets. It has 2 seam pockets, and of course it is a mini length, but unfortunately I'm gonna have to return this dress because it's just too small for me. These Sofia Vergara faux leather pants were a absolute fail, but I wanted to share them with you guys. I have them here in the size 22 and the price is $24, and it's also available in a chocolate color. It does have a hook and eye closure and a zip fly, and it has pockets in the front and pockets in the back. This is about a 3-inch short, so it's super short, but I always wear stockings under these faux leather shorts. This is definitely not a size 22. It's just way too small. Just look at this waistline. So I'm happy I bought it to try it out for you guys in case you're interested. If you're a little bit smaller than me, it will definitely fit. I got it up, but I just couldn't button it at the waistline because you guys know I have most of the weight in my tummy. So if you have a smaller waist than me, this might fit, or if you're a little bit smaller. But overall, it was just a fail for me. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And comment down below which pieces were your favorite. If you're not following me on the Like to Know It app, go ahead and give me a follow over there. I do post new arrival, restock alert, outfit ideas, and so much more. I'm going to have it linked in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.